All right, so happy Simplicity Day. We are trying to make your life a little simpler. I don't know about you guys. I have been going about 150% for the last month for various reasons. I'll leave that alone. But yeah, I am wiped. I'm wiped. I've been sleeping if I can get to sleep, I can go to sleep for 12 hours and then that's it. But anyway, today's Happy Simplicity Day, and I thought I would share some things to make your life more simple. So I'm going to give you a couple right off the bat. The first one, go outside. Just go outside. Get out of your office. I probably should have gone outside. Hey, you know what? Just to give you a side note of that, our building had a backyard barbecue the other day for the building, and they had an Elvis impersonator. Now that was cool. So getting outside, get out of your environment. I love to walk. Whatever you like to do outside, I'm a big walker. Fresh air, they say, really helps get you up. And then they say you should start decluttering. Now, decluttering is a job as far as I'm concerned. But it's very funny that Carmen's already way ahead of us, because they say if you want to declutter but you don't kind of want to start with the whole room, start with your purse. That's right. They say clean out your purse. Now, for some of you, that is a job that's going to go on for years. But Carmen was not cleaning out her purse. She was cleaning out all the purses from my mom that she got in the bag. So I'm not even sure if she's finished. I'm not even sure where she is. But they say this is the best part. And they say, because if you're not ready to tackle a closet, start with the purse, and then you know it's doable, and then you can move on and hopefully inspire you to the rest of the... Well, here's some inspiration for you for those of you that are trying to clean out your purse. All right, so we are talking about Simplicity Day, which happens every July 12th. So keep that in your calendar. You want to make sure you're getting that. Now, here's a couple more tips they said to make sure that you are de-stressing, if you will. First of all, create a nice moment for yourself. This is one of the things that you should do. You should kind of just take some time for yourself. It could be a spa. It could be golf like Jay. I'm not sure that's de-stressing, but okay. They say you could stretch. You can go for a walk. You could go for a run. I don't know. When I golf, that's not de-stressing. That is about just time too. It's more like broken dreams for me. Anyway, try one of those out and see how they work for you. All right, so we are talking about Simplicity Day, because it's actually Simplicity Day, July 12th every year. Mark it in your calendars and just tell everybody, don't bother me. Now, if you're one of those people, that just can't relax. I know a few of us. And you really need to try to do this to kind of get away from work. This is one of the problems I have, because when you work from home, you actually never go away. So here's some tips to help you with that. First of all, put your phone down. Put the phone down for part of the day, at least. Okay, so if you can't do a whole half a day, try an hour. Just put it down. I tell you, one of the things that I've been doing is they put in some new Muskoka chairs at the marina. And one of the big things I love to do is just go watch people back their boats into the water, or not. That's a good one. Make a list of things you're grateful for. This is a lot of people, if you're into journaling or anything like that, making a list of what you're grateful for can bring it up. Maybe actually finish something that you ever try to read, like a whole article or a blog or something, and you just can never seem, you're thinking, okay, as you're reading it, you're going, I could be doing something else. Maybe take the time today to actually read that. That would be very helpful. And they say, stop multitasking. This is one of the things a lot of people say, hey, I'm good at multitasking. You think so, but really you're not that good. And one of the best things to do, if you must do it, is to clean out your email. That's right. Just clean out the email. I suggest the delete button. But Jeff Foxworthy can help you with something.
No more letting people over 65 forward emails.
At the end of the show, I thought I would share a couple more before we get to the end of the show. If you are really, really just trying to just simplify life, here's what they say. And I'm this kind of person. Are you this kind of person? I'm this kind of person. If you have a checklist, so I'm one of those people who use my reminders app like there is no tomorrow. It doesn't, it sometimes it even says go to the washroom reminder. Not that I need to put that one in, because I basically live there. Hey, I'm in my 60s. Everybody relax. And you around the pool, stop laughing. It's not funny. Anyway, for the rest of you, you may want to put reminders in, because there's something about checking it off. You feel like you're getting things accomplished, right? So here's a suggestion. Make a done list Right. Think of this as a to-do list in reverse. Write down everything you've accomplished today. Include small details like made the bed, go to the washroom. Feel good about your accomplishments instead of looking at what's left on your never-ending to-do list. Look at what you've accomplished. Now that, my friends, makes some serious sense. And then there's nothing to do tomorrow because, like, you've done it all. The other thing is to just visualize letting go. Just visualize letting go. Whatever negative feelings you got, let them go. Yeah, right. Okay, so, but try. Seriously, try. So if you're angry, if you got anxiety, if you're overwhelmed, I'm all of those, so good luck to me. Anyway, if you're feeling any of these, think of balloons in your hand and then let go of the balloons. Yeah, so simple, isn't it? Just go, woo, and watch them float into the sky. Okay, all right, here's what I do. I'm going to give you I do the walking and I do the drinking. Sometimes I walk with a drink. You know how it goes. But ideally, what I find relaxes me the most is music. I love music. And sometimes you can relax in a chair all you want. You can relax and do what you want. Or you can just get up and party. Oh, yeah, here's a song to start you off.